Hi Jan, this is Francisco from Mexico, and I will show you the engine. I will like your comments and your advice, okay? Let's go first with the cooling system. Got it over here, over there, goes over there, 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 and there. This is the bottle. I support it, so you can see that it's firmly. Here, I just put a tight route, so it can be moved, or I don't know if you suggest me to do something about here. Okay, that's it.
Sure looks like another nice installation by you. Very clean and organized. As far as that bottle, it looks good to me. Yeah, make sure that that lid doesn't pop off, and also that the hose that's inside goes to the bottom, maybe with a little 45-degree cut on it. The some of those bottles that were sent from here were kind of melted on one side to close off one of the vents. Make sure that's opened again. It's supposed to be open opposite of the hose, and I couldn't see in the video if that was done. I think you did that. All looking good. Let's continue on and see what else we got. Switch panel for the main engine breaker switches, or just switches here. Battery, fuel pump, alternator, so forth and so on. Yeah, I think I'd take the nuts off the switches, make a little thin aluminum angle, put it in there so that it captures the nuts of the switches and then bends towards you above the switches, just to keep anything from falling on the switches, shutting them off inadvertently in flight. Yeah, I see what you're trying to tell me. The fuel pressure transducer is not actually indicating. I don't know why they make it so tough. Maybe just a regular VDO sensor or a transducer with a couple of probes on it, or I don't know. They want you to use this UMH or UMA seal or shielded cable, blah, blah, blah. I don't know why they make it so hard, but yeah, you might be stuck with that. Make sure to keep plenty of coolant in the bottle during the initial runs, because when the engine cools down, it's going to suck that coolant into the engine, and if it's not enough, it'll suck air back in. See if you can get some high temp split loom on the throttle cables. They chafe something awful into the plastic or anything that they touch it.
Okay, this is the header tank. I am waiting for a Holley filters, one here and one over there. These lines come from there, right? And this over there. These batteries I'm waiting to make the weight and balance of the plane, so I can move forward and backwards the weight. Okay, this is the second one. This is the engine. These are MGL proofs, and the other one over here. The fuel line comes from the plane, goes in here, the filter, security.
Now, as far as the mounting of the red cube for the fuel flow, There are some rules about 4 to 6 inches, I think, of straight in and straight out before any bends. Might want to look into that to see if it has any bearing on what you're doing for accuracy. Also, there's a certain angle that it's supposed to be mounted. I'm not sure if that's super critical either, but it is recommended.
It's about 1 can.